How to get the Pouting filter. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the Pouting filter. So first thing you're gonna do, go to your TikTok application. So this filter is so funny to have some fun with your friends. Go to post. It's gonna directly open the camera. Now you have the option says effect. Tap on there. This filter is trading right now. If you can't see the filter on your effect, on your trending effect, what you're gonna do is go out, go to discover, tap on search, and tap Pouting filter. First option. Now you have two filters. Choose the filter you want. If you don't see the effect, simply choose one of those video and you can see the Pouting. Tap on there and you can tap on try this filter and have some fun with put this filter on your friend's face, and you can see how much fun is this filter. And this is it. This is our video. Hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.